My daughter is a big fan of Cbeebies Hey Duggee, almost as much as I am. So I thought, let's add a bit of Duggee fun to the garden in the bamboo. I measured up how much space I had to work with, and then I got some scrap bits of wood from my wood store. I found an image of our favourite little panda. Using some clever computer magic, I resized the image to make templates that fit over lots of sheets of paper. Printed the templates and attached them to the wood. Oh, safety first. Goggles. Face mask. Hey kids, isn't it time for woodworking? There's some good old-fashioned sawing with my jigsaw. The edges are likely to be touched by children, so I smooth them out with my disc sander. This could be done by hand, of course. The flat body also got a bit of a sanding to help the paint adhere. The whole front and most of the back was coated with some primer, and then some marking tape was used to help with a line between the black and the white. Black spray paint, white spray paint. Oops, bit of overspray. Black spray paint, white spray paint. Ah, that's a nice body. Let's give her some hands and a head. Again, you could do all this with a jigsaw or even a handsaw, but I'm using my scroll saw to get the detail I want. Edges sanded up a bit again. And some spray paint. I glued all the pieces into position with some clear polyurethane glue. This stuff is great. It dries completely transparent and is completely waterproof. And added some fixings so she could be tied to the railings. Oh my. Finally, as she's going outside, I give her a finish with some spray-on varnish. And then using some cable ties, I made sure she was securely attached to the railing, as she's quite heavy.
She's only little.
Let's see what the little one thinks.
Wizard! What? Well done, Daddy. You and your woodworking side.
Should I make any more of these, and if so, what characters? And remember,
You can't have a cup of tea without a good biscuit.
bye-bye everybody.